guys, today we're going to be playing part 1 of the scammers.
Life as a scammer.
Yeah, life as a scammer. So, let's get started.
A fidget scammer.
Today I feel like ordering some fidgets. Hello, I would like to order a mega jumbo putty. A blue one.
What else?
Thank you. That's all. Bye.
Okay, let me find the nice putty.
Hopefully it comes in soon. And it said it will come in a day. Hopefully it does.
This girl, she wanted a mega blue putty. I'm gonna give her this little small thing. She'll never know.
Hello, when is my package going to be here? In 10 days? Okay, bye. What? This is such a scam. They gave me this little freaking putty. I would like to sue the person that gave me a little mini putty. I'm suing all of you. Bye. I think I'm going to order another fidget. Hello, I would like to order a Pop It game set. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Oh, I got a call. Okay. She wants a mega puppet set. Okay, let me go get it out of the bag. Go.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, got it. Oh, this is too good. I'll give her a little something else.
When is my package going to be here? Finally. What the heck is this? I'm going to pull out the person.
Hey, best friend. I just went to this awesome shop and I just got this.
That's what I ordered. And they gave me this.
Well, too bad. Too sad.
Girl, give me that right now. That's the exact one I ordered.
Fine, here.
Take that pesky thing. Finally, I have a good fidget. Now I want to ask for a flippy octopus. Should it be a Pop It one? I guess. Open. Phone. Okay. Let's order. Let's go to the fidget app. Hello, I would like to order a flippy octopus.
Okay, pop it or plushie?
Plushie.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Okay, this girl wanted a plushie. So, I'm going to give her this little tiny thing. Not this awesome plushie one. So, we're just going to get the box and seal it up. Got it? She wanted the plushie one. And
Hello? When is my package going to be here? What the heck? Is this my package? I did not order a Pop It one. Here, take it back. You can have that. Here's your freaking box.
And then
I'm going to order another thing. Hello. I would like to order a yellow square Pop It. Bye.
yellow square puppet. We have one of those. But I'm just going to add this little... Yeah, oh my gosh. I'm just going to get that out of the closet.
Where is my package? It's been freaking 2 days.
No, it's been 2 minutes.
It's been 2 days.
Okay, so I'm gonna give it a little pop. Okay, so what you like?
Ow! Whatever. What is this? This is not a Pop-It.
Oh, hey, girl.
That's my Pop-It that I ordered. Now give it here. Here. Take your little
Oh,
thing.
my dream fidget. Oh, my gosh.
That's what I thought.
3, 2, 1. Come on. Fly. Oh, and guys,
Yes, I only have 2 things in my collection, and they didn't even give me a dice.
okay, be like a nice girl, okay, and then I'll give you a lot of fidgets.
Now
Just
it's
ask for one
part 1 of the non-scammer fidget life.
Okay, this is another skit, but they don't scam. They actually give extras. So let me just pretend this is the only thing you have. This is my defective duck.
I think I want to order some fidgets today. Let's try out some of these fidgets. I kind of want to order a big dimple. Ordering dimple.
Okay,
I'll just play with my mochi.
Okay, getting all the dimples from the back. Now it is time to put it in the box. Delivery.
Oh, here's my fidget pack. Fidget. Oh my gosh, I got a fidget pack. I got a hard Pop-It. Let's see what else. I got a big dimple. I got a fidget spinner dimple. Oh my gosh. I even got a mini Pop-It. And I even got a bike chain. And I got a COVID ball. I also even got a marble mush. Oh my gosh, I'm ordering again. I love these people. What should I order? I think I'm going to order a squishy.
Skylar, don't look at the
Maybe
order.
like a cake squishy.
Don't look at the order.
I'm getting a cake squishy. 1, 2, 3. I got it. I really love this fidget spinner dimple. I really want to trade for this. Claire, I'll trade you my big dimple if you give me this. Please.
Fine. Knock knock. Knock knock. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Here's your package.
Thank you. I wonder what it is. Oh, it's my fidget. I forgot. Whoa, I got so many fidgets. I got an octopus plushie. I even got a Pop-It. This is my dream. I didn't even order all this stuff and I got all of it. And that's what I was only supposed to order. I got a DNA ball. Oh wait, that's this. Okay. Oh my gosh, I got so many things. I love this DNA ball. It's actually. Hi.
Are you the very nice girl online?
Yeah.
Here, have these. Because you are the nicest person this year.
Really?
Yep. All of them is yours.
Shut up.
Nope. And here, you guys have $1,000.
It's too much. Take all of these.
No. Keep them. Keep them for free.
Here, take this poppet and take all of these.
No. Keep them for real. Don't need them. And plus, these are all my fidgets. But I'm quitting fidgets, and I decided to go to the nicest person online.
Here, take this.
You ordered this. No,
I never ordered this.
no, I don't want it.
No, you have
I
it.
don't like fidgets.
You don't like fidgets?
Well, I'm starting to collect slime now.
Oh, well, I'll try to see if I have any putties or anything. Sorry, I have no putties, but I actually do. I have this and this. You can have these.
Thanks. Yes, starting on my collection.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I left some of my fidgets at home because I didn't know I was going to be doing this. But, oh, sorry, I only give those to the mean people because we scam. Here. Okay, let me get all my fidgets out of this pile. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this video.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Turn on that notification
Notification
bell
bell
so every time I post a new video,
you
you can
can
watch
watch
it.
it.
Bye, guys.